Yes, so now we can discuss about yoga. In that yoga, we are discussing about Jnana Yoga. Jnana Yoga is the yoga for intellectual knowledge and practical wisdom. This form is all about self-realization through meditative awareness. One experiences knowledge and develops intuitive understanding. One learns to separate the ego from the self. Jnana Yoga comprises three main stages. Sravana, hearing or exposing oneself to knowledge. Manana, thinking and revisiting the wisdom of enhanced understanding. And then nidhi dhyasana, that is meditation. And then Jnana Yoga may not be physically challenging, but it is one of the most challenging forms of yoga to practice, as it requires an open mind. This is the information regarding Jnana Yoga. Then we can discuss about Raja Yoga and Bhakti Yoga. Wishing you all the best.